Hi guys, it's me Violet tuning back in. Today I will be showing you slime, and I'm here with my best friends Lexi and Peyton. Ignore all this noise. Hey ya! So we'll just be showing you the basic slime videos that have been all over the. Guys, I trapped a unicorn. I trapped it in the slime bucket. Look, I trapped a unicorn in slime. I got this slime that is very easy to wipe off. Slime. I got a unicorn trap. Guys, real quick. Let me do this real quick. Sorry, guys. I'll move this back. Okay. That was my hand. Now this is weird. I got rainbow slime, but this is fine. So I got all the rainbow slime. So this slime is my favorite. On the camera, it looks kind of like blue right now, but whenever in real life, it looks very purpley. But whenever you roll it up, whenever you roll it into a ball, it looks very purple, doesn't it? Yeah. Whenever I open it, it's so slimy. It looks like very blue, guys. Look at this, guys. It's like a unicorn. That's green. With this, it's foamy. It's foamy. It's very foamy. Yeah, and it smells like blueberries, kind of. Yeah. It smells like blueberry soap. Oh, and also it's very easy to wash off. As you see my hands. I can't move it. Here, guys. Be right back. Okay. My friends will be just me. Okay. Now we see it. I got some slime on my dress. It's very foamy. Very foamy. Look at this slime. I just don't get that. Another both green. I can't believe this is foamy, Violet. I know it smells like blueberry soap.
There's so much traffic on Airline.
Okay, as you see my hands is very. I am just obsessed with this slime right here. Okay, since I like this green slime a lot. I love these slimes. I wish we had slime. I've been playing with this slime in my hands. And I'm gonna go wash them. And then get them way dirty again. And this is this slime right here is very oozy and sticky, but it's hard to get off. Last time I used this slime, I kind of my hands got stuck on it. It kind of got in my hair, but I really wish we could show you. Look! I really wish we could show you guys a little man. Look, Violet, look. Oh my!
Flexibility, that kind of stuff.
It looks kind of yellow, but it's orange. Yeah, it's orange. And now this is the yellow. This is the yellow. It has a little bit of green in it, but yeah. I guess it's get my slime. No, it's not yours. I want to tell you something. I'm about to put the unicorn in it. And I want to show you something really cool. So it kind of looks like glass putty right here. Hey, this is what the slime actually looks like up close. And this looks like glass putty right here. It looks like glass putty right here. It's really cool. Yes, get out there. Okay, and then this one smells like mint chocolate chip. It literally smells like mint chocolate chip. Once you stretch this, it sounds like it's foamy. Yeah, it's really weird. Don't mix up my colors, okay? These are good. I paid good money for these. I'm just joking. Wait, I made a bubble right there. I'm gonna try to make a bubble with this slime. I'm gonna make a bubble. Give all the slime. Give all the slime. Oh, dang it! It almost made a big bubble.
I ran 40 miles this week.
Oh yeah, wow.
Yeah.
It needs to be flat first,
Only been upped.
and then you bring it up.
I did run 40 miles this week. I forgot I put in
But it can't work with foamy.
information.
What? It can't.
Oh yeah.
You should check out this oozy slime. So guys, this one literally smells like mint chocolate chip.
And it's also hard to wipe off your hands.
Yeah.
But this one is not.
It's just sandy kind of. It's foamy.
Yeah, I'm debating getting a
It's
garment.
foam. I'm gonna try to make a
Foam
bubble.
inside.
Oh, I made a bubble. Oh,
Hey, Violet.
Violet.
And the bubble pop!
Chocolate in general, it's very easy.
Look, and guys, Be quiet, be quiet. Yeah. You know a good slime when it pops.
Just with my mic thing, I said, hey, you can see so
Oh,
much
my.
information.
It's wearing the slime dance.
It's
Do the slime. Lexi, I'm a dance slime helmet.
Yeah. Slime.
Slime helmet. It looks kind of yellow. Guys, oh my gosh.
It's not coming out.
It's like not coming out.
Oh, there.
Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's like a string slime inside the slime.
Yeah, show.
Oh my gosh, that's like a bubble. That's like a slime bubble inside the container.
Yeah.
It's so cool. Hey, somebody that's hands on. Hey, Paige,
Tell me if you want to hang out with me.
What?
Nobody else is with me.
Yeah.
You know?
You guys want to hang out with me?
We should. Guys, let me show you something. Hey, Payne, could you hold this right here? Hold it, hold it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Point it down. Here. Guys, don't. Hold it like right here, and then point it at here. Yeah? Yep. Point it there, and then watch this. Guys, it's so cool. Slime is so fun. Yes. Look, it is literally so fun. See? But it usually is very sticky. Okay. Sorry, guys. You do the slime dance. Me. Do the slime dance.
And mine's
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh no! I got Casey painting. We can't see painting. Just the one in the middle.
Okay, stop!
Her arm is literally buried with slime.
Look at the arm! Look at the arm!
I was just saying.
Look at the arm! There's like slime all over
Hey,
it.
can you bring
There's slime all over
Yeah.
your hand.
I'll play. He's gonna eat.
Don't play.
Yeah, that's fine. Week after week.
Guys.
No, the
Oh, this
girls
slime is
all
so
along
sticky.
are,
I still have
Yeah.
tons in my arm right here.
It's like 15.
I know.
Hey, Peppa, we still have a birthday party.
So I
Yeah,
don't know why.
but it's not nighttime
You'll
yet.
peek and then
Duh.
you'll come back down. and,
Yeah.
Oh, is it this sleepover?
We'll be running well
No,
over.
we can't. We're going
Yeah, so
to
like the week
party,
before, it's like
not
3
like
15
have
minutes.
sleep.
Yeah.
This will be my second birthday party today.
Yeah, like a warm up.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
15 minutes. Cool down.
You can't.
Because I just climbed the high wall and I just got here a little bit while ago.
Yeah.
As soon as they got the slime out.
As soon as this video started, actually.
I
Oh, this one's clearly my favorite, although it's very sticky.
This one's my favorite, even though it's sticky and it's foamy.
I
But
love this
I
one.
like it because it's
I
blue
love this slime.
and it can wash off your hands.
I
Guys,
love these slimes. No, look. These slimes are big.
hey, you see how? Hey, you want to see how easy it can? This slime can get off. Guys,
Don't you do this.
hey Violet, you show 'em how easy the slime
It
can get
has
off.
some slime on it.
It,
so
you show how easy the slime can get off.
We ended up doing the half
Okay.
instead.
Come on.
And
Oh guys,
it's
hand me the camera. Hand me the camera.
Oh, I
Oh
can't.
my gosh, that was the best.
Yeah.
There's the camera. We'll do that for fun.
Okay.
We're going in the bathroom.
Watch this.
Hey, Mama. Don't yell, okay?
Okay,
I know
yes,
you're
sir.
excited.
Look, it is. Oh my gosh. It's like Halloween. I've seen this show called Hey Lexi. Hey, it has tons of bubbles in it.
I'm going to play with this slime a
You
little
know-
bit longer and then show you.
Oh, look, see, it's like it has. You know, a good slime when it has bubbles, which means it
Bob.
pops.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Hey, don't want to fall.
That's the whole point. Oh, it's like so weird looking.
Yeah.
Looks
Okay,
so
let's
weird.
go experiment how easy this stuff can get off my hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to keep playing with this slime here. Hey, face me. Engage. Bathroom. Come on.
She had a membership there for a while.
Lexi, no shoes in the house. Freaking me.
Okay.
Mississippi, it stinks in here.
Yes.
It stinks.
Alright.
It stinks really bad.
You gotta wash my hand.
Okay.
Alright, so watch over here and watch.
It's so easy. I got like
See my
tons right
hands?
here.
Oh my gosh! It's so easy.
Hi guys.
Look how easy.
Yeah, she's
Okay,
not.
try on. You can see the revealing.
La Villa. La Villa.
And clean.
Cleaner than.
Okay, parents, I bet you would want that so badly.
Yes, for slime to not be as
For your
messy.
children.
I'm just wiping slime on my hand.
Engage.
Back. I mean, it's tough. I was running at you.
Okay, now I'm going to show you something, guys. I'm going to show you something. Look. This is the first time ever being This is my first time ever being on a YouTube video.
Well, it's really private. Nobody
Unicorn
can like
print.
it. Nobody can
Unicorn,
like it, but they can still
unicorn print. There's a unicorn print in here. See that?
It's actually not very hard. It's actually very hard to see.
Yeah, no, it's easy. It's easy.
There is no unicorn in there.
Print. Hey. No, it's a unicorn print.
Hey,
unicorn print.
Guys, y'all gotta see this.
Oh my gosh, we can hardly even see. It's see-through. Right there, see-through. Again, you might want to, parents, you might want this for your,
Like cycling.
you might want these slimes. These slimes are the best. No, this
The mint
This
chocolate
one.
chip one is very sticky, but it literally smells like mint chocolate chip, guys.
Oh my gosh, Violet, I just noted this.
I don't know if it's different if you're
Glitter slime. Glitter slime. Okay, take it
I
out.
have little
Should we take it out?
slime bugs.
Yeah, take it out.
Try to
stop.
Oh, what was that? It just all of a sudden got darker in here.
What?
Well, I'm being
Hey,
like
can you help
last
me?
year I liked it because it's like, you know, I just want to
Here, that was easy. That was easy.
I'm gonna do it.
Alright, coming out.
And like, I'm
See?
It's not coming out, guys.
Oh my god.
This stuff?
I kind of added like the glitter and stuff in there. I made it purple too.
yeah, and you know they talk about all the
Papa.
oh it's the
Papa.
or, you know,
It's sticky.
I'm not. Don't put it in these ones. Don't put it in the other slime. Don't put it in the other slime.
Here, let me help you.
Yeah.
I'm working out
No,
not
it's we're putting this
Yeah.
back in
I
because
just
it's
want
so
to-
gross.
No, I want to.
I like the texture.
I like it.
Yeah, you have it. You have these.
It's like wet. I love it.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't want
you literally have all these ones over here.
to cry.
Ain't in the video. It's like
I'm not even in the
video.
video.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
push it back.
Yeah.
Why does that keep happening?
I don't know. Maybe because I keep like accidentally scrolling up for a while, but
No, I know what you mean.
it is so cool. It's
Well,
like wet.
The music
It's very cool.
I love this one. What is it?
Okay, which one? This one's called Elmer's slime,
times and places
sand
for
slime.
it.
What
This
kind
This
of
one?
slime is this? The blue one.
What kind of slime is this?
Rainbow slime.
Gem rainbow slime. So what? Comment down below what's your favorite slime. Mine is definitely this green blue.
I
slime
love
right here.
this one. Oh, I love the rainbow slime. These make sure you get this. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, so
Let's start another.
My friend just got